How to create a table on Notion in iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Notion application on your phone. The Notion app is used as a versatile all-in-one workspace for note-taking, project management, and collaboration. Once you're here, go to the bottom panel and tap on the new note icon. Type in any message over here and then tap on the plus icon below. From the options, scroll down and select Table. As you can see, you have added a table. You can now edit and add in the table details. You can use the same process to create as many tables as you want. This way, you get full control over your experience with the platform and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily create a table on Notion in iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.